Adding decimal numbers. Sa pag-add ng decimal numbers is like the adding whole numbers. Just keep track where to place the decimal point in the sum. Okay? So make sure that the digits with the same place values are aligned in a single column. Then, add the digits in each column. Okay, dito sa ating given number 1, 1532.01 or 01 hundreds plus 21.365 or 365 thousands. Okay? So, ngayon, ating i-add. Para hindi kayo malito, pwede nyo lagyan dito ng mga zero, itong mga may puwang. Make sure na naka-align in column siya. Okay? Yan na. So, ngayon sa pag-add, sisimulan natin dito sa left side. Okay, mula dito sa left side hanggang papunta dito sa right side. Okay, ganito po. So, 0 plus 5, that is 5. Then, 1 plus 6, that is 7. Then, 0 plus 3, that is 3. Then, copy itong decimal point. Ating lang i-bring down. Okay, naka-align dyan. Next, ito namang whole number. Okay, itong 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then, 5 plus 0, that is 5. 1 plus 0, that is 1. Therefore, the sum of 1532.01 plus and 21.365 is 1,553.375 thousands. Yan po, Kamatlay TV. Now is your turn. Try number 2 and number 3. Comment your answer.